How's it going, guys? Today we are going to be traveling. I'm going to be taking my wife to places she hasn't gone to and also places I haven't gone to. So it's all new for us. What do they call it? No man's land? It's all going to be new. So we'll see what we find. We'll take you on this journey. I'll try to get footage of the road, try to get footage of the places we go to, and we'll see. We'll learn about history and we'll learn what's around here in southern Arizona. We're heading down south to Nogales, and then from there we're gonna be heading up to Tombstone, Arizona, which I kind of saw pictures of it, but we'll see how it looks like. It looks Tumacacori National Park. I don't even know if I said it right. And obviously, you also get a little guide. Hmm. This is a little map they gave us. What's it called? Fish hook barrel cactus. That's pretty cool. Of course, alloy. There's like a little garden here. I'm guessing that way is to the restrooms. And so this is the layout of the area. It's really nice. With quill, pen, ink, and Spanish, missionaries kept careful records of marriage, baptisms, and burials. Letters, deceased of other correspondents were copied by hand at least once and often several times, making it possible for much day-to-day history to survive. Like old school cemetery.
They would do like a little vigil for them before, and then they would bury them in the back.
So this was like their little praying.
Mm-hmm.
So this would be where the priest used to sleep when they were done with church. Small room. And there's another little room over there. But it's blocked off, which is fine. There's their own little chimney. Alright guys, so right now we stopped to get gas here in Nogales on the Arizona side. We didn't cross. Not today, maybe another day. But from here we're gonna be heading to Tombstone. So we're gonna be taking the 82 to, I think the next town is Patagonia. And then from there, I forget the name of the other little town. But we'll keep you updated. This is an area we have not been to. This is all new to us. This road is all new. So this is a new adventure for us. And it's also good to see because you gotta go out and explore, you know. You gotta go visit the little towns out there in the region, in the state, you know. There's lots of places that need exploring. But let's go guys. We'll see. We'll give you an update on the next step.